mga na-try nyo kanina, yung mga na-serve nung ano na. Mocha. How do you find it, sir? Okay naman? About the rest?
Chef Kat, paano kapag sweet tooth ako?
We can ask the cabin crew to provide sugar packets on board. So yun. For you to, oops, sorry. Ayun, and then this one. Or ice pa, supposedly, and then you serve. Same. All of the variations.
Kasi meron na pala ito.
Meron na po, sir. Meron na po. Yes. Tapos yung latte, same. Ganun din po. Yung latte, ganyan lang siya. Yung skim milk, we also developed our own. And then, that would complement well with our Santan coffee. Okay, same. Hot water, a little bit. Mix it. Put ice inside. Ayan. And then over. This is our iced latte. Okay? Next would be the coconut latte. So again, it's only served cold on board. So, pag may nagtanong na passenger, oh, should be hot, hindi po tayo nag-offer ng hot option for this. Only cold, yes. Ayan, coconut, coconut. Just a little bit. Mix. Then we put the ice again.
Ay, coconut milk?
Yes, coconut latte base. Opo.
Yung hinahalo sa coffee.
Hinalo na po sa coffee. Wait na po ako lang konting ice. Ayan. Yung depende po kasi siya, hot and cold. So, kung Americano, 120 pesos yung hot, 130 po yung cold, tapos 140 yung, tawag dito, yung ginger. Kung mukhang nagde-drip yung coconut.
Ang serving niya sa ano lang po?
On board. Yes, on board, both domestic and international. We serve the coffee. Tapos, later on, we have plans din naman to have it as kiosks. But now, we exclusively serve this on board in all Air Asia flights. Ayun. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ayun.